Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to fix a pinched nerve in the neck. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. A pinched nerve is a damaged or compressed nerve. It develops when a nerve root is injured or inflamed. The nerve root is the part where a nerve branches off from the spinal cord. You can get a pinched nerve in different parts of the spine, including your neck, or thoracic or lumbar spine. A pinched nerve in the neck can cause radiculopathy. Symptoms of radiculopathy can include numbness, tingling, weakness, and pain in the arm. If you're looking for a way to alleviate mild pain at home, here are several options you can try. Some of them can be done at the same time. What's important is to find what works best for you. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Physical therapy. Getting a massage may help to reduce pain, numbness, and stress. Apply gentle pressure around your neck and other affected areas to relieve tension and relax the muscles. Be reminded that deep tissue massages aren't advisable since any excess pressure on the body can worsen the symptoms. Physical therapy consisting of exercises, massages, and stretches can also cure the symptoms. For many individuals, a personalized physical therapy plan can quickly and efficiently ease nerve problems. Exercises such as side bends, walking, yoga, and neck tilts are among the many gentle physical activities that you can do to ease the pain and discomfort of a pinched nerve. Number 4. Rest and sleep. No matter where you have a pinched nerve, the best thing is usually to rest as long as possible. Avoid the activity that is causing you pain, such as tennis, golf, or texting. Rest until the symptoms have completely resolved. When you do start moving that part of your body again, pay attention to how it feels. Stop the activity if your pain returns. Getting extra sleep and rest is effective in relieving many mild body pains, including nerve pinches. Avoid physical activities that may increase your pain and overuse your nerves, such as lifting heavy objects, high-impact sports, and high-intensity and high-speed exercises. Sleeping also heals nerves as the body repairs itself during sleep. Getting enough rest and sleep also helps the body reduce symptoms quicker. Number 3. Ice and heat compress. You can use either a hot or cold compress to reduce body swelling and inflammation. Apply a hot pack or heating pads directly onto the pinched nerve for 10-15 minutes at a time. This method relaxes tight muscles around a pinched nerve and increases blood flow, which is vital in the healing process. Ice reduces swelling and inflammation. Wrap a towel around an ice pack and hold it directly onto the pinched nerve for 10-15 minutes. You can also apply ice packs to reduce swelling and inflammation. Just hold the cold compress directly onto the pinched nerve for 10-15 minutes. You can use heat to relax the muscles that might be tight around a pinched nerve. Heat also increases blood flow, which can help the healing process. You can find heating pads in various sizes at a drugstore. Hold heat directly onto the pinched nerve for 10-15 minutes at a time. Number 2. Adjustment of posture. A pinched nerve also occurs when you have a poor posture. An incorrect posture when you sit or stand causes unnecessary stress on your body, and may lead to damages on the spinal cord, muscles, eventually, a pinched nerve. Adjust your posture in a position that will help you feel better. Use cushions, adjustable chairs, or neck rests to help you relieve pressure on the nerve and allow it to heal. You may need to change how you're sitting or standing to relieve pain from a pinched nerve. Find any position that helps you feel better, and spend as much time in that position as you can. Adjusting your workstation at home may help you reduce neck pain. Use an ergonomic computer set, chair, and table to help reduce pressure on your hand, wrists, and back. A standing workstation can also keep your spine moving and flexible to lessen back pains. Number 1. Stretch. Gentle stretches can help relieve the pressure on your nerves and improve your symptoms. Don't go too deeply into a stretch. If you begin to feel pain or discomfort, ease up on the stretch. Remember that small movement can have a big impact. Here are some stretches you can do to fix a pinched nerve in the neck. Chin tuck. This move reduces tension in the neck muscles by lengthening your neck. It will also improve posture in the head and neck. Place your fingers on your chin. Gently push your chin toward your neck until you have a double chin. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Relax. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Once you're comfortable with the move, try chin tucks without using your fingers. Side bends. Side bends help reduce neck and back tension while building strength. To do a side bend, stand with the hands clasped over the head. Keep the neck and head straight. Lean slowly from the core to the right and then the left, without letting the body bend forward or arch backward. Repeat 10 times. For a more intense workout, add handheld weights. Head turn. A pinched nerve can decrease your neck's range of motion, but head turns may help. Perform this exercise in a slow and controlled manner. If you feel pain, try smaller movements. Straighten your head and neck. Look ahead. Slowly turn your head to the right. Pause 5 to 10 seconds. Slowly turn to the left. Pause 5 to 10 seconds. You can also tilt your head side to side and up and down. Neck bend. If you have a pinched nerve in the neck, exercises like neck bends will provide relief. You should also do this stretch slowly. Gently move your chin down and toward your chest. Pause. Return to the starting position. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Shoulder roll. Shoulder rolls to release tension in both the shoulders and neck. This can help relieve pressure and pain from a pinched nerve. Lift your shoulder blades and then roll them back and down. Repeat 5 to 6 times. Repeat in the opposite direction. Pinched nerves are most common in people aged 50 to 54. In middle-aged people and older adults, it's often caused by age-related degeneration of the spine. Over time, discs can shorten, causing vertebrae to compress and irritate nearby nerves. Bone growths can also compress the nerves. A pinched nerve in the neck may feel like pins and needles. It might also cause pain and weakness in the shoulder, arm, or hand. Severe cases require medical care. But if your symptoms are mild, you can try exercises and home remedies for a pinched nerve in the neck. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.